Hi, my name's Naomi and welcome to our Peppin St project. Previously a bathroom and unused bedroom, this space has been converted into the ensuite and walk-in robe for the master bedroom. Here in the ensuite, we opted to use a single tile on all of the walls. To create a point of difference, we laid these Spanish subways in a crosshatch or basket weave pattern, emphasising texture as a feature in this space. Natural terrazzo tiles have been used on the floor to add a touch of luxury and also introduce some colour. The new layout accommodates space for a walk-in robe behind the ensuite. We chose to use a timber wood grain in here to add some warmth.